what we need now to make this really stick together is a little bit of work on the kick and bass. Let's name this bassline and add a compressor on the bassline. We want a sidechain compressor, and you know, the kick will be the pilot for the compressor. And let's them work together. Reduce the attack. Be a release. Then we go in this section. And then we can just work through, you know, the right balance between kick and bass. Let's hear the difference. See, this is really flat. And you can hear that they, you know, that the bass line is not proper jumping with the kick. Much better. Not too much. I think you still need to find the right balance between the two. Right. That was easy.